Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the triple puff stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the puff stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 5. I have already made 29 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. We're now going to start our sequence. You're going to skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, you're going to make a puff stitch. So you're going to yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. And you're going to yarn over your hook, insert your hook back into that same chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have done that 3 times. You're then going to yarn over your hook. You're going to take that yarn over through all of these loops right here, leaving this one at the very end. So it's going to go through all of these. You're going to have 2 left, yarn over, take that through those 2 loops to complete that puff stitch. Now you're going to make 2 chains, then you're going to make another puff stitch into this chain with that first puff stitch. So 1, 2, 3, you're going to go back into that chain, yarn over, take that through all of those loops, leaving that last one, yarn over, go through those last 2. Make 2 chains again. You're going to make a third puff stitch into this same chain where you made these 2 puff stitches. So 1, 2, 3. You're going to go into that same chain, yarn over, take that through all of those loops except for the last one. You'll have 2, yarn over, take that through those 2 loops to complete that puff stitch. So we have a puff stitch, chain 2, puff stitch, chain 2, puff stitch, all into that same chain together. Now you're going to skip 2 chains into this next one. You're going to make a single crochet. So you can see here why when we skipped these 2 chains over here, that's going to be our sequence. So we're going to start that over again. You're going to skip 2 chains into this next one. You're going to make that first puff stitch, make 2 chains. You're going to make that second puff stitch into that same chain with that first one. 2 chains. You're going to make a third one. So that's puff stitch, chain 2, puff stitch, chain 2, puff stitch. Skip 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next chain. Then you're going to be skipping 2 chains again into this next one. We're going to make that same thing, make a puff stitch, make 2 chains. We're going to make that second puff stitch into that same chain with that first one, make 2 chains, make that third puff stitch into that same chain with the first 2. So you can see how everything is looking. You're going to skip 2 chains into this next one, make a single crochet. Then you're going to skip 2 chains into this next one. You're going to be making that puff stitch, the first one. Make 2 chains. You're going to make that second one into that same chain with that first puff stitch. Make 2 chains. Then you're going to make a third one into that same chain with those first puff stitches. So it's all of them together. You're going to skip 2 chains into this next one, single crochet. Once you get to the end of your row, you're only going to have 3 chains left. We're not going to be making a 3 puff stitch like we had been doing. You're going to skip 2 chains into this last one. You're going to make a puff stitch. So same thing, make a regular puff stitch like we had been making. make 2 chains, and then make 1 puff stitch into that same chain with the first one. So it's only going to be 2 puff stitches this time instead of 3. And all into that last chain is a puff stitch, chain 2, puff stitch. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. It's going to be the same as row 1. We're just working into stitches instead of chains. And we're going to be working the opposite that we made in row 1. So into any previous single crochet, we're going to be making that 3 triple crochet puff. And then into the tops of these previous puffs, we're going to be making a single crochet. So to begin, you're going to skip over these beginning puffs into this next single crochet. You're going to be making these 3 puffs. So into this single crochet right here, make your first puff. It's going to be the same thing. Make 2 chains. Next puff into that same stitch. 2 chains, and then third puff all into that same stitch. So we're going to skip over to this next 3 puff that we made in our last row. Into the top of that middle puff, you're going to make a single crochet. And that's going to be our sequence until we reach the end of this row. So into this next single crochet, you're going to make that puff. Chain 2, puff, chain 2, puff. Into the middle puff of these next 3, into this one right here, into the top of it, you're going to make a single crochet. Into this next single crochet, you're going to start making those puffs again. Moving over to these next puffs right here, into the top of this next middle one, make a single crochet. Moving over to this next single crochet, start making those puffs. There's that first one, chain 2. There's that second one, chain 2. And the third one all together. Now at the end of this row, you're going to have these puffs over here and then a single crochet over here. Into the top of these last puffs, you're going to make a single crochet like we had been doing. Then like we did in our last row, into this last stitch over here, you're going to make a puff. Chain 2 and another puff into that last stitch. So that's just 2 puffs, not 3 this time, to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the triple puff stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.